Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install WAMP Server 3.3.2 in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's do our video. First, go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. Here type WAMP Server and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the WAMP Server. WampServer.com. It is an official website of the WAMP Server. Open that link. WAMP Server official website is open. Scroll down. Here we find downloads. In download section, we find two options: 32-bit, WAMP Server 64-bit, and WAMP Server 32-bit. Always go to the WAMP Server 64-bit because Windows 11 is 64-bit operating system. Click at here, WAMP Server 64-bit. Here we find many options. Don't fill any option. I directly go to the you can download it directly. Click at here. It's redirect you to another page, and in few seconds our download is started. Our download is started now. It's take few minutes, so be patient and wait for few minutes. Our download is completed. Go to the downloads. Here we find show in a folder. Click on show in a folder. Drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here is our WAMP server. Right click on it. Click on the run as an administrator. Click on the setup file, run as an administrator. Click on the yes. Click on the English and click on OK. Accept the terms and condition. Click on the next. Click on the next. Here we find error and we are going to solve this error. These packages are not installed on our PC or laptop and we are going to install it and our problem is solved. So I click on the OK. I scroll down and I find here bottom of the page. Scroll down at here and here we find WAMP server and click at this link. Click at this link, last link, and it's redirect you to the another page. Here we find many options. Scroll down and go to the bottom of this page and here we find at the last we find all VC packages. Click at this 32-bit or 64-bit. Click at this and our download is started. It's take few minutes, so be patient and wait for a few minutes. Our download is complete now. Go to the show in a folder in a download. Minimize it. Drag this file to desktop. Close it. And right click on it. Click on extract all. Click on extract. It's extract our files and open it. I double click on it and here we find many options. I once again go to the setup file and see which files I need. I click on the next once again and here we find PC 2013. So I go to the here 2013 and I go to the 86. Here we find 86. So I double click on it. Agree. Install it. Click on yes. Close it. Our first file is done. Go to the VC 2022 86. So I go to the 86. Double click on it. Click on I agree. Click on install. Click on yes. Click on close. Third file is VC 2013. VC 2013. Okay. Here we find VC 2013 64-bit or x64. Double click on it. Click on I agree. Click on install. Click on yes. Close it. Third number error is VC 2022 64 2022. So I go to the 2022 and here we find x64. Double click on it. Click on yes. Click on close. Basically, see your error, not install, and see your file from this folder and double click on it and install that specific file. This is our options. Close it. Click on OK and click on cancel or exit from this setup and restart your machine. I am not restarting. I right click on it. You can also restart it and click on run as an administrator. Click on the yes. Click on the English. Accept the terms and condition. Click on the next. Click on the next. And here we find our directory C WAMP 64. Click on the next. And our installation is started. It's take 1 or 5 minutes. So be patient and wait for a few minutes. It's asked for a browser. I go with the Edge browser. Click on yes. We can also go with the any other browser. I cancel it. It's installing. It's take few seconds. So be patient and wait for a few seconds. Click on the next. Click on the finish. Here we find WAMP server shortcut. Right click on it. Click on run as an administrator. Click on the yes. Now it's starting WAMP server. It's take few minutes. It's starting first time, so it's take few minutes. Go to the taskbar. Here we find show hidden icons. Click on show hidden icons. In show hidden icon, we find WAMP server and it's green. That means our WAMP server is running and it's all okay, or it's running perfectly. Now we are going to create our first file or testing our WAMP server. I first test the WAMP server. So go to the here. I here type localhost and hit enter key. And here we find WAMP server. Here we find our WAMP server is running perfectly. And now I go to the here, minimize it and create our first test file for the our WAMP server. I double click on this PC. In this PC, I go to the C drive, double click on C drive. In C drive, I find new folder WAMP 64-bit or WAMP 64, double click on it. Here we find many files. IMP file for us is the www. Double click on www file, double click on it. And here we find our file. This is our index file that we see in the localhost. I right click on it and create a new folder. I create a PHP or my test or my test. You can give any name that you like. I give the my test all in small. I double click on that folder. I create a one folder. I go to the right click on it and go to the new and create a text document, and I give the my PHP or PHP file or any name that you like. My PHP. I give the my PHP. I want to change extension, so I go to the view, show hidden items. I go to the view, show, and go to the file name extension. Here we see the file name extension. I right click on it and go to the rename it. So I go to the rename and change the extension to php.php. Click on the yes. Once again, I go to the my Edge browser or any browser that you like, and here I type localhost, then slash, and our file name or folder name is my test. So I type my test and hit enter key. Here we find my php.php. I click at here and it is blank now. I create a one PHP code at here. I open this PHP file in Notepad++ or Notepad or any other text editor. I right click on it, go with the open with, and click on the Notepad. And I type PHP code. And echo hello world and save it, close it. Once again, I go to the here and refresh this page, and here we find spelling mistake. Once again, I go to the here, right click on it, open it, refresh it, and here we find our first PHP page in our Windows 11 PC or laptop with our WAMP server. Our WAMP server is perfectly running in our Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, this is the simplest way to download and install WAMP server 3.3.2 in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.